Hey, you guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Reese LaFleur, the baddie of all trades. If you're interested in fashion, hair, beauty, makeup, DIYs, and all that good stuff, make sure that you consider subscribing to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell for notifications, and anytime I upload a video, you get notified. Blah, blah, blah. Like this video, comment down below, and share it with your friends. Okay, so we're attempting to block out the brows, which I'm not good at. I put the glue on twice, but it didn't even work. And to be quite honest with y'all, the next few looks I do, I ain't gonna even try. I'm just telling you right now, I need to practice. So I'm adding in some orange concealer to kind of block out my brows even more. But y'all, let's just say I need to practice. And I'm sorry if you hear that sizzling in the back. My heat is on swole, and yeah, my heat is on swole. That's what's happening. Okay, so once I blend that out, I'm gonna actually start doing foundation. I'm doing something else. Oh yeah, I'm really trying to blend them brows up. They're just turning orange. That's all that's happening. So I'm just going in with some foundation, and of course I'm listening to music and singing along like I always do. And then we're just gonna blend that out. Make sure you always blend down to the neck, you guys. It's very important. So I'm trying to blend my brows up because I think the issue is not that I don't know how to do it, it's that my brows don't stick down. So maybe that glue stick is just not for me. Again, I'm trying to brush these brows up because they're really being rude. Hey, get it, Reese, get it, Reese. Anyway, so I'm gonna start concealing. Honestly, when I'm doing costumes that are of normal human complexion, I just do my normal face routine. I'm not into changing my skin color to anyone else's. I don't really agree with that. So yeah. I can be a brown skin joker, even though he's pale as crap. I'm not gonna do that. That's just not my niche. That's not my thing. That's not me. That's not cute to me. So if y'all out here doing costumes, please do not change your race for no costume. You can be the black version, the white version, the Asian version, the whatever version. Okay, and just a little knowledge for you people, all right? So now I'm going to contour, and I'm contouring all the way up to my brow, in a way so that maybe I'm thinking in my head, I can conceal the fact that I don't know how to glue down my brows. But I still try, and that's all that matters. We try. We give it a whirl, we give it a twirl, and we try. All right. See, I'm just trying to blend that all the way up. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Yeah, whatever. If I dance one more time, honest, I be in such a good mood when I'm listening to music. So now I'm just gonna set those areas of my face. Now I'm just gonna set it as lightly as possible. I'm gonna actually just blend it all out. Because this is how I'm gonna get that kind of ashy paleness to my skin complexion. So I'm gonna actually leave that setting powder. I'm not gonna dust it off. So I'm going in with my black base from P Louise, and I'm using this to just help guide where I want the black eyeshadow to go, because the Joker can't do no makeup. He just has black eyes, he think that's cute, and then we're just going to create some type of shape. But I don't want it to look you see, I went over with my black shadow. I don't want it to look neat. It's supposed to look wild and off. So just added some contour. Now I'm adding a little bit of blush. As you can see, that center of my face is still super pale because I didn't dust off the setting powder, and that's exactly what I was going for. So now I'm going to start doing my little tattoos with some eyeliner. So that's the J going in there right now. It is so hard trying to write backwards on my face, so that's something that happened. So I'm trying to put the damaged, but child, I started in the wrong spot, one, and it was so hard trying to write while like doing it backwards because I'm supposed to write it so that y'all can see it, not me see it. That makes sense. Like I'm doing it opposite, child. But we made it through, and that's what matters. Like when I did the D for the end, like you couldn't have told me that wasn't a B. Like I was blown. I was blown. I'm just going over it so you can see it better. Me and that damn B. I know that's a B. That's a B. I should have shifted it over a little bit, but it's not too crazy. And now I'm going to do my ha-has. I mean, I'm pretty tatted, tatted mommy. So I wasn't going to do like his skull and all that because I was not about to draw over my tattoo. So I feel like my tattoo is the girly Joker, the rose from hell. I don't know. But yeah, so I just want to do the ha-ha-has because that's something I didn't have, and I'd rather have a big like picture on one side and then the ha-ha-has on the other because that's a big staple of his costume. So that's what I did here. That was actually a little easier because you could just do wild ha-has. Like it really doesn't matter. Like again, he's crazy. So I'm putting on my lipstick, super ugly and weird. But I think it adds to the look, honestly. Something about it looks dope. Right, so now I'm going to add my Fenty Trophy Wife for some highlights. Alright, so now I'm going to work on this hand. Now, this was hard because I think I'm a pretty good drawer. I know how to draw teeth and stuff, but I'm doing it so y'all can see it, so I'm doing it upside down. It was hard. I had to do this off camera, but I just used the same lipstick I used to be my lips. I didn't even put the lips in the right spot, y'all. I wish I could like pop my arm off and put it back on, but I mean, it did what it had to do. You could tell that's a mouth with teeth. Child. Anyway, so, but I like this costume because it's a super quick costume. If you don't know what to be, you don't even have to have a green wig like I do. You could easily just go buy like some spray like for your hair and just put the spray in like, and it washes right out. But I just so happen to have this blue-green wig and I'm just going to use that. So I'm trying to like push it back and make it look cute or whatever. So I'm going to just start adding some foam just to make it stay backwards because no baby hairs, no nothing. He's crazy. Like, if the Joker was a woman and she wore a lace front, she would not lay her baby hairs. I feel like she don't care, so I don't care. What's up? Who gonna check us? Nobody. So I added tinfoil. I put my jacket on. I got my little Sean John bralette on, trying to give you crazy vibes or whatever like that. I actually like how this came out. Again, this is a quick, easy costume. Anybody can do this. Literally, anybody can do this. Like, you don't even need the lashes, but I put on lashes because I'm a glam ass biatch, But yeah, I don't know what's happening here, but thank you guys. Don't forget to join our flower gang by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. See you guys for my next costume tomorrow. Bye.